June 25th, 2018. Morning is a little bit strange this morning. Market is down a little bit. It's the SPY is down 0.45% at the moment, and there's not much that I really like. There's a few that are okay to both the downside and the upside, but nothing that stands out really big. But we'll see. It's Monday morning, and we'll see how we do. I'm going to take HOG here at the ask, if it gives it to me. HOG. And we're in. We're in HOG at 43.19. Daily is fairly strong, you know. It past couple of weeks it went up and it tapped the 200, and then it consolidated there for a little bit, and then it started coming back down. This morning, intraday gaps down, and now it's being bought up. So I'm thinking it's gonna maybe get dip bought here for a little while and turn back around, go back down. Market is down, so we got some tailwind here. So we'll see what happens here. I like it back down to at least 43, you know, at least. Stop should be over the highs here, but minor's probably going to be around, I don't know, 43.70 area, right around there. But it should be, tight stop should be about 43.55. That would be okay. That way, if it hits the halfway point, it can always come back down. If it goes over the halfway point, then the 43.50 area, then most likely it will go up a little bit more. CPB, let's take a look at this one. This one's good too. This one's flagging here. I'm going to try to pick this one up here at the bid if it gives it to me. Alright, we're in. This one's going to be a quick trade. I like to see it over the top here fairly soon. We're in at 41.68. I'm going to take this at 85 here. Just take a quick first trade here. Oh, and it blasts off. Ah, I should have waited. Should have waited. I only took like 15 cents from that trade. Just because of the market. I just wanted to take a quick one there. Market's going down, but that one is nice. I had a nice setup there. That's alright. I'll take 15 cents for now. We'll revisit this one when the market stops going down. I took it, and then I looked at the market, started dropping hard. I'm like, oh, I'm going to take this and see what happens. Let's take a look at HOG. This one should follow suit. This one should go down. I don't see why this one shouldn't go down. You know, market's going down, but it's not going down. So it's already past the halfway point here. So now I'm going to have to get out of this one soon. So I'm going to see what happens with the market. If the market continues to go down, this one should go down. HOG still going up. I don't like that. I don't like that. Look at that. Just moving up. Market's crashing here, and it's just moving up. That's not good. It hasn't even given me a chance to get out yet. See? Because it just keeps going up. That's just being squeezed here. The buy the dippers down here, the squeeze here, and now it should turn around. But I'm probably going to get out of this one with the loss now. Just going to wait for a pullback and see what happens. Probably get out around the 35 area here. Big movers, so I mean, I'm not too worried about it. See, look at this topping tail right here. Now we'll see if this topping tail has more continuation, and it looks like it does. Let's take a look at this thing up close. See, that's the worst. It's the worst that can happen to you when you get into a trade, you know? It goes against you and it doesn't stop. But still in range here. My stop was around here. So, big mover. I think it'll turn around. Probably when it hits the 9 here. If not, it's going to be a big loss. I have to get out of this though soon if it doesn't stop. Should have got out right here. you know, 43.70. That was my initial stop, but it hasn't stopped, so I'm not going to get out until it stops and see what really happens after that. I'm going to take FSLR here. Oh, no, forget, cancel pause. HOG is coming back to us, finally. Let's see what happens now with the market. It's not listening to the market, obviously, so it's got its own mind today. So we'll see what happens. HOG, I'm going to come out down here for a loss at 43.63 right here. Try to get a few more cents here. Come on. All right, we're out of 100. All right, you know what? I'm going to push this up here. Get out of the rest. All right, we're out. We're out of it for about a loss of almost 50 cents, about 45 cents or so. Yeah, it's strong, so I didn't want to get out up here, so I had to wait till it came back to around where I wanted to get out to 70 and take a loss on it. Almost 50-cent loss. It's all right. You get those. You have to accept losses, right? Probably take it again in a little bit once it goes up a little bit more. Market's going down. CPB, I'm going to take it here at the bid if it gives it to us. CPB. We're in. We're in at 41.13. Daily is good. It's been uptrending really nicely past few weeks, and then has a huge spike up today on news, and it's working out already. Second trade on it. Took it earlier, and I'm gonna take that right here. I'm gonna take that right here for about 25 cents. Yep, 25 cents. Take a quick 25 cents on that. Market's still going down, so IQ, I'm going to take a short here at the ask, and we're in. We're in at 33.45. Daily's strong. Had been strong. But it got bought up really fast. Within 1 month, it shot up really big. So past few days it's been downtrending. It's been selling off a little bit. So intraday today it gaps down, gets bought up a little bit here, but it's stuck in this consolidation area here. So I'm thinking this thing's going to go down because there's a lot of money made on this already. So if investors think this is going to go down, they're going to get out. They're going to get out in herds. So I'm thinking this thing is going to turn around here, maybe consolidate a little bit here, but it's going to turn around here and go back down to 33 and below. That's what I think. But the stop on this one should be, well, stop should be up here, 34.47, about a point right above the highs here. It is a big mover, so it can move quick. Target, I don't know, below 33. But we'll see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out, if it goes against us right away or if it goes out in our favor. IQ going against us right now quite a bit, but it is a big mover, so it's probably going to test this area right here and see if it can knock out all the stops around this area and then turn right back around and continue its original trend. That's what I'm thinking. But it's a big mover, so could easily come back down. Can easily shoot up. Depending on how many shorts are in this thing can easily shoot up. But we'll see. I gotta keep an eye on it. And here it comes. Hopefully it'll come back down to us and blow past the bottom here. If not, then I'll probably come out of it with a loss, another loss. If I have one more loss, I'm going to be done for the day. That means I'm off, so why trade when you're off? IQ. See if it starts to sell off here. It'd be great if it did. Get out with a small win. I don't care. Was losing big on this one, so I'm gonna have to take what I can here. I like to see a blast through the bottom here. Market is weak, so we got some tailwind. If it gets below this 33, 38 area here, then I think we'll have a good amount of selling coming in. Here it comes. Now I'm just looking to you know, get even to maybe 10, 15 cents on it, you know, just because I was losing on it. So I gotta think differently on the trade. Can't expect too much from it now. Probably take it around the 33.25 area. I think it has potential. I might even put it in 33.25. Let's see. That way it'll just shoot right down there and nab it. See what happens here. Market is going down. Here it comes. It's almost there. A little bit more. Just a little bit more there. And we're out. We're out for 20 cents. And it'll probably continue down, but I was losing on it quite a bit here. So I have to change my way of thinking. My way of trading. Anyway, there's so many other ways that, you know, you can make money in the market. It's unbelievable. But this is just one strategy that I use with smaller share size, and it works for me. I mean, it works for me, but it might not work to many other people because it's not worth it to them making small pocket change. You know, they want to make thousands of dollars a day. Well, you have to risk thousands of dollars a day if you want to make that kind of money. You can't make $1,000 a day without risking 1,000. You know, I risk 150 hoping to make 150. And it works for me. I'm going to pick up WYNN here at the bid if it gives it to me. WYNN. I think it's oversold here. And it's below the 200. I'll let it hit me though at the bid. 15-cent spread. Big price stock, but I think it has potential here. We're in. We're in at 67.09. Daily was strong, was really strong. Then it got hit a month ago and it's been slowly downtrending. Now it hits the 200. Oh, look at that. That's dropping hard here. It's capitulating here. So that's good. It might turn around here and shoot back up. It's a big mover, so as easily as it falls $5, it moves up $5. So it just hit a bunch of stops at the 66, at the 67 area. So I'm thinking it's going to get bought up here and shoot right back up. But intraday it gapped down a little bit, and then it had a dip buy. A lot of dip buyers came in till it got over Friday's close, and then it just collapsed. Why? Because of the market. The market collapsed, you know. That's most of the reason why, because it's already really down a lot. This is a great spot for a bounce, and it didn't bounce because of the market. So we'll see what happens here. It's still dropping. Target on this one, I mean, depending on how low it goes, if it goes up from here, I'd like to take like 67.40 area. I'll take that because it's dropped already quite a bit. Oh, here it goes. This is not looking good here. But my stop's going to be somewhere around 165.50 area because it's just dropped so much already. It has to turn around. It's just waiting for the market here. All right, here we go. Market is going to try to wake up here. Should bring WYNN up. I don't see why not. At least up to entry. and get out with a loss, but I'm going to try to squeeze out at least 50 cents from this one. Here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Now you're going to get the squeezers. A lot of people went short. They're going to have to come out because they already made their money. Then you got the people who find value and start stepping in. But the market is saying no buyers, just sellers. Now the stop should be right below, 166. It's just the market. It's not giving up. It's just going down. WYNN was right up here. Just thinking about coming out of it, but I just wanted to get a little green, and it came back down. So let's take a look at this thing here. Market still hasn't given up. Still downtrending. WYNN is just riding the bottom here, waiting for the market. It wants to go up. I can see this. It wants to go up down here because it's had so much selling pressure already. Eventually the selling gets dried up too. WYNN, let's take a look at WYNN. Hit the 166 area, and now it's coming back. Big movers, so we just need the market to wake up, I think. As soon as the market wakes up, we should be all right. At least get back to entry. WYNN, it's trying to come back here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Nice rally from the lows here. Market is trying. If not, I might come out of this one sooner. Just take a loss on it. Yeah, I'm thinking about, I'm gonna come out here if it gives it to me at 85 here. Ah, nah, see? That stinks. Just as I was about to take it. I'm gonna cancel that now. I'm just gonna wait. Now if it goes back up there again, it'll probably go up. So we'll wait. WYNN, WYNN. I'm going to take this opportunity here to get out of this position with a small win. I think it has potential just to hit that area there. Let's take a look at this thing up close and just get out of it. I was losing quite a bit on it for a bit, and now it's giving me an opportunity to get out. So I'm going to try to take it. Just a little bit more here. Oh, well, didn't want to take it that time. That's okay. Next time it goes up, it's going to go higher, so we'll wait on that one. Cancel that for now. WYNN, WYNN, was in it here, was in the money here, and I didn't take it because my target was 30. And it fell right afterwards. One big candle, boom, right back to support down here. But it's still okay. It's coming back. Now, if it comes back up here another time, I think it'll blast through here. WYNN is coming back down here. Was in the money up there, didn't take it, and now it's dropping. Now I'm going to have to get out of this one soon. This one's down over a point on this one, so I'm hoping this one will turn around here at low of day and shoot back up, and depending on what the market does, I'll get out with a smaller loss around the 166.60 area. But if the market starts to shoot up, then this thing should just keep going. But if not, I gotta come out. I gotta come out right around here. I'm gonna give it a little more time. It's a big mover, so could easily move up real fast. So WYNN, WYNN, it's coming back to us finally. It rode the bottom here for a little bit right at my stop area, but it's coming back up now. So now I'm gonna come out of this one maybe. But it's got some momentum now. I like that momentum. Look at that thing shoot up. I'm going to see if I can get at least 30-40 cents on this one. WYNN, It's bull flagging here, which is good. Market is going up. So I think once this one gets over the highs here, which is 167.17, we should get a nice big fat green candle. I'm going to try to take this at the ask here if it gives it to me. Right at 167.30. I think it has potential to just make one last pop here. Probably shoot higher, but I'll take that. And we're out. We're out for about 22, 23 cents or so. Finally, you know, was losing pretty good on it, and it finally came back to us and took some profits from it. But the market's just downtrending, and I'm taking this as an opportunity to get out of the stock. CPB, I got it at one last time. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I got in it at 42.12, right around this area here. And then I took it for a ride all the way up here. It didn't stop. Market started going up and shot all the way up here, and I got out at the 55 around this topping tail area. You know, I think that was my third trade on it, but I didn't record it. But anyways, that's gonna be my last trade. We're up 113. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners, mostly small winners, and one loser. The losing trade was on HOG, which, if we take a look at it, collapsed right after I got out of it. Check that out. If we bring that back a little bit, I got out up here at 43.63, right around here, and as soon as I got out, look, boom, it dropped and dropped and dropped all the way down here. Look at that. And I lost 50 cents on that one. But and my biggest winner was CPB. And that's it. Thanks for watching.